channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan, and in today's video we are going to be doing a review for the hair company Celie or Celie hair. I don't really want to butcher it, but this is the company here, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing their 5x5 lace closure wig. This is the wig here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you guys can kind of get a look at it. Girl, yes, it is so soft, so silky, and I cannot wait to put her on. I did bleach the knots on this wig before I installed it. I am going to go ahead and insert a clip of me opening the wig on camera with you guys so you can see how it was packaged, the goodie bag that came with it, because girl, it had a goodie bag and was there some good things in there. And I want you to look at the hair and how it looked before I washed it. But I did want to make a note that this is a Brazilian body wave wig, and girl, when I washed it, these curls bounced right back. Like, this is washed, not style anything, freshly washed, and it looks, I'm loving the body wave of it. But before we go ahead and get into unboxing the wig, I did just kind of want to go over the specifics of the wig. Now, as I mentioned, this is their 5x5 lace Brazilian body wave human hair wig. I got it in an 18-inch. You can choose from 10 inches all the way to 30 inches. That is the longest length that they offer in this 5x5 closure wig. The densities that they also offer is 150, 180, and 200% density. I do believe I will send a 200% density wig, and you also get to choose what type of lace you want. They offer a regular lace or a transparent lace for this wig. This wig is 100% virgin human hair from one donor. The color that I got is just natural black. This wig can, however, be dyed. So if you wanted to add some highlights, you wanted another color, girl, you can definitely dye this wig. So I love that for us. The lace is a Swiss lace. And it does have the 3 combs in the inside for a more secure fit. And the circumference of the wig is a 22.5 inch cap. So if you have a smaller head or you have a bigger size head, just keep that in mind. They do have like adjustable straps in the back, which you guys will see in the unboxing. So you can slightly adjust the tightness of the wig. So if you need it a little bit more snug, you can play around with those straps in the back to tighten it up. Also, a thing to mention that the hairline on this wig is pre-plucked. Of course, you can always go in and pluck more if you like. I am lazy, and I'm a really lazy wig wearer, so I personally will not be doing that today. But you can definitely do it. It won't happen for me. Okay, so now that I told you guys a little bit about the wig, let's go ahead and insert a clip of me opening this wig on camera with you guys so you can see how it was packaged and everything that was included. Okay guys, so you saw me just unbox the wig, and my initial thoughts is, one, this hair is so soft. It is so freaking soft, and look at the pattern. This is the Body Wave 18-inch 5x5 closure, and these curls are just beautiful, so beautiful. I love the curl pattern on here. Okay, you guys, so you will have saw me opening the wig and everything that was included in the wig and how it looked and everything before I went ahead and bleached the knots on the wig. I did just want to talk a little bit about the goodie bag that you get. Y'all, I was honestly so surprised about how much good stuff came in this wig, because I can definitely always use another bonnet. My comb, my rat tooth comb, is always disappearing. One of the things that I'm mostly excited about is these hair clips, because when you're styling your hair, who doesn't love a good hair clip? And I've never seen a hair clip like this before with a little teeth grip on it, so I'm definitely excited about that. And just a whole bunch of goodies. You guys would have saw it already in the unboxing, so I'm not going to go ahead and get into that. But let's just go ahead and jump into installing this wig. I am going to be using my Eben Wonderlace bonding glue spray, this here, to install the wig. Although you get a wig cap in the goodie bag, I am going to be using another wig cap. I'm just going to be using a brown wig cap, because that way it's more complimentary to my skin tone, and I don't have to worry about putting makeup on my wig cap and, you know, that whole other extra stuff. So I'm going to be using that, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to stop talking. Let's just go ahead and dive into this wig review. So what I like about these 5x5 lace closure wigs is you can choose where you want your part. So you can either do like a middle part, or you can do a side part. I'm going to be doing a middle part today. So I just wanted to mention that. And I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to just go ahead and speed through this so we can make this video quick and not long. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result of the wig install. I am absolutely obsessed with how good this hair is. It feels so nice, so silky, and girl, it's actually been hours later and my curls are still intact. Like, it holds a curl so good. Now, you guys probably would have seen in the video, I tried to do the baby hairs, but the baby hairs and Megan is just not getting along. I cannot do baby hairs. I never wear baby hairs when I do my wigs. I just put them on my head. You know what I'm saying? It's not in me to do the baby hair. But if you know, all I have to say is this wig is gorgeous. The hair quality is so good. And girl, I know if you buy this wig, you are going to slay it. You know, install it how you want to install it, girl. Melt that closure. Do what you do. Do what you do. But you are not going to be disappointed if you buy this wig. I am loving this 5x5 closure. So that is it for this video, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below. Thank you so much to Celie Hair for sending over this wig for me to try. I will definitely be making purchases in the future to check out the rest of the wigs that they offer. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.